West Asheville isn't just a neighborhood, it's a vibe. Morning walks to the greenway, afternoons at the park. The energy of Haywood Road, lined with colorful murals, local restaurants, live music, and coffee shops that know your name. It feels authentic, not manufactured. It's the creativity and community that draws people to this well-loved corner of Asheville. If this feels like home to you, you'll want to check out this property. Built in 2020, this 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home offers the peace of mind of newer construction with the charm West Asheville is known for. As you step inside, you're welcomed by a bright, open living space that feels both functional and inviting, perfect for hosting friends or just enjoying a quiet night in. The kitchen flows seamlessly from the main living area, making everyday life easy and connected. Whether you're cooking, entertaining, or just enjoying your morning coffee, this layout works. The kitchen features granite countertops, clean modern appliances, and plenty of cabinet space. You'll also love the sunny dining nook. A half bath and laundry room complete the first story, which also has access to the back deck. Upstairs, you'll find the 3 bedrooms. The primary suite is spacious, easily accommodating a king-size bed with room to spare. It feels like a true retreat, complete with an ensuite bath featuring a double sink vanity and a tub shower combo that makes everyday routines feel easy and functional. You'll also love the walk-in closet. The 2 additional bedrooms are slightly smaller but still comfortably fit queen beds, perfect for guests, kids, or creating a dedicated home office or art studio. The fully fenced yard space creates privacy and a place for your pets and children to enjoy time outside safely. Homes in West Asheville are always in demand, but finding one this new, this well kept, and 100% move-in ready, that's rare. If you've been waiting for the right opportunity in West Asheville, don't miss this home. Presented by Altitude Real Estate Group.